Hi, hello, hi, and welcome sa aking mini vlog ba to kasi matagal to eh. And this is about my November 8, 2024 adventure. Adventure talaga. And then I was in Cubao and ito yung performance ko or actually ito yung araw ng semifinals. Is it semifinals? Hindi ko alam. Bakit ako ganito mag-voiceover? Ayun nga, dito sa Viva Cafe gaganapin ang showdown ng Superstar, ng Ring Central Superstar, yung aming flagship singing contest ng company namin, where trivia, si Jay Amusuris ang tawag ng tanghalan, has also been the first champion ng Ring Central Superstar. So grabe yung experience na to kasi look, nasa artist only at nasa backstage. Meron akong backstage pass at hindi lang yun, meron din akong station dito sa mga vanity mirrors nito, kaya napakagrabe na experience. I'm so thankful and reminiscing yung experience na to. Grabe talaga ang lala, and it's a one-man show. Hindi kasi pwede magsama ng mga employees, pero yung makeup artist ko kasi usually yung friend and college friend ko is hindi pwede isama kasi outsider. So sarili-sarili muna ako, hindi pa ako masyado marunong talaga. So last year, puro foundation lang ginawa ko sa mukha. At bigla na nga kaming tinawag sa labas para mag-sound check. And ayun, sound check na nga kahit maputla pa yung makeup. Sabi ko dyan sa stage director, ang putla-putla ko pa. And here's my rehearsal. So after a few moments nga nun is nag-retouch na ng konti and malapit na mag-start yung program or yung contest mismo. And here are some of the performances. So grabe, ito nga ako na yung mag-perform and excited ako, nakabado kasi confident ako na makakanta ko siya ng maayos kasi it's been my song for so long. So yun na nga, here is me, myself and I. It is my second time to join this. Yung last time na nasalihan ko was just on our pantry. Kaya sobrang salamat Ring Central for letting us experience na para kaming artist talaga. Imagine makapag-perform sa Viva Cafe. Kinikilig ako sobra. And ito na nga, ito na yung announcement. Oh my God. Alam mo, hindi ko alam kasi out of 20 performers, 20 ba or 19, sorry, ang tagal na kasi. So, grabe pa rin yung kaba ko dito kasi in-announce yata siya after a week or within a few days after nung show. So, hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman kasi yun na nga, in-announce na yung top 5 finalists through our internal group chat. And I'm just so praying na sana makapaperform na ako kasi the winner will perform on our year-end party sa Marriott Hotel. And alam mo na, full pack experience kasi may pa VTR, may everything. Kaya grabe rin yung pananalig ko na sabi ko, I did my best. Oh my God, this will help me prove na, oh my God, ano ba? Oh my God! Nakapasok tayo, be! Putang ina! Shoota! And that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much sa mga nanood. And hindi ko alam kung may videos pa ako nung year-end party. Pero yun, sa wakas na-edit ko na to. And hope to see you again here. Bye-bye!